po, alam naman ng mga taga-Vietnam, taga-India, at sa kung saan-saan na nangangailangan tayo ng bigas. Kaya nagtataas din sila ng presyo. Sinasamantala tayo. Nakikita natin, pinapayaman natin yung mga magsasaka sa ibang bansa, samantalang kinakawawa yung magsasakang Pilipino. Tama po ba to? Hindi ba ikukonsidera ng ating mga economic managers na itaas na muli sa 35% at mapuno yung projected revenue loss?
Part of the plan is one of the things to come down.
Part of the plan is also to encourage and to increase more production.
Parang hindi naman realidad yan. Nakita naman natin sunod-sunod ng bagyo, hindi pa tapos yung alphabet po. Marami pang letra. At tigit sa lahat, nakita natin ang presyo ng abono, ang presyo ng krudo, nagsisitaasan, double whammy po. Palagay ko, kinakailangan siguro mag-isip tayo kung ano pa yung plano. Kasi itong mga planong to, itong artificial price ceilings, pagkatapos itong mga taripa na wala nang ibababa, parang hindi nagwo-work. Kailangan siguro mag-isip pa. So, yun lang yung tanong ko. Sana may magandang balita, pero wala pa akong naririnig. In the meantime, can we be updated on the computed cash balance of the National Treasury? Can you verify that we ended, in fact, the year 2023 with the balance of 787.1 billion? Tama ba yung aking numero? Oh, I think you're adjusting for borrowing. So are we reading the same numbers po? Nakaka-nervous po to. Hindi natin alam kung magkano yung pera natin. Kinakabahan ako, ba't natatagalan? Dapat simpleng-simpleng tanong yun. As of end 2023.
Yeah, more or less you are correct, Mr. Chair, about 700 plus
Yes, 787.1 billion with a net change in cash position of 505.8 billion brought about by a borrowing of 1.875 trillion against a deficit of 970.2 billion. Is it safe to assume that the Treasury still has at least 1.2 trillion to fund the rest of 2024? Parang tama yun, di ba? Arithmetic lang po. So we have enough 1.2 trillion. Tama ba yung nabasa ko sa dyaryo? Press release po ninyo to. If it is a press release of Secretary Recto, it's infallible. It's ex cathedra.
So in short, we can pay for our obligations for 2024, Mr. Chair.
So is there already a projected cash balance for the end of this year, 2024? The projected cash balance of the National Treasury at the end of this year, since we're already right smack in the last quarter, siguro naman may projected cash balance na tayo at this point.
What the previous finance secretary says in open session, we can provide you the numbers privately.
Privately. So it will be an executive session or will be provided at a later juncture. It's just projected, hindi naman siya absolute.
We will have a positive cash balance.
We can
Okay.
submit that to you,
Yes. So
Mr. President.
that being the case, may I proceed to another concern? The Bangko Sentral of Anong Pilipinas sold 24.95 tons of gold in the first quarter, the first half of this year, according to the World Gold Council. Can we be updated on the total net sales of gold for this year? Given that we have enough money to fund our expenses, did the BSP sell more gold? even after the 25 tons almost in the first half.